Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Tune Flex headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename them in your iOS device. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold the ring on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. As you can see, we are now connected with our JBL Tune Flex. We have to go into our info. Now as you can see, name JBL Tune Flex. We just have to click on it and now we can change our name. If you are done, we have to click done. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.